Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why... Mami, ready na po kayo ni Daddy? Asan na po sila Daddy? And si Kuya, pakitawag na rin para umpisa na natin. Dahil ayun na nga, tama po ang balita galing sa NASA. Pagdating ng alauna, magdidilim po bahagya. Alright guys, ready? Kung ready na kayo, ready na rin po kami and ready na rin po si Daddy. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why you're here because we celebrate a 7th birthday. Palapakan natin. Together with Mommy, Daddy, and Kuya, palapakan natin sila guys. Ayan, family picture po na po tayo, Mommy, Daddy. And the birthday boy, sa malakas ang palakpakan for KL Jesus! Jesus! Palakpakan natin! Together with Mommy, Daddy, and Kuya, palakpakan natin sila guys! Ayan, family picture pa na po tayo, Mommy, Daddy.